All right, English 079. We are in week 14. Let's see what we've got going on. I'm going to share my screen with you. And here we go. So, right now, of course, you should be really super deep into your English 101 work. We've got the essay 4, we've got the annotated bibliography. And so, that is essentially really what I want you to be working on and focusing on this week. If you take a look at your syllabus, let's just take a look at that real quick. You're going to notice that I don't think we have anything on this week, specifically because I want you to be focusing so much. Oh, look, nothing. So you're done with your portfolio, or not portfolio, you're done with your journals. Week 14, I want you to completely just focus on this essay. Okay, nothing additional. You've already got your summaries done. Those summaries are due in Comp 1 and in English 079 by Friday of this week. Okay, so make sure to hand those in to both classes. Also, go back and make sure you've handed in all of your summaries in to both classes, because in Comp 1, I give you a grade, and English 079, I give you credit as long as you handed in your summaries, you get 100%. So make sure that you've handed everything in to English 079, because everything you hand in to me, as long as it's complete, you get 100% of those points. So be working on that. One thing I want to remind you guys about is if you go to the content and assignment links section, you're going to find that in campus engagement project. Now, this is worth 10% of your semester grade in English 079. So you want to take it seriously. And all you need to do is two things. So you click here, and now maybe, I know some of you guys went to one of these career workshops, but I know many of you guys did not. Here's all you have to do to fulfill these two requirements. You go get tutoring twice, and then the first time, write your summary. Basically, you write 6 to 8 sentences talking about what it is that you got tutoring on, where you went to get tutoring. Just tell us about this experience. And the second paragraph is, how did you react to it? Was it helpful? Was it not helpful? What would you do next time to make it more beneficial to you? Literally 2 paragraphs, and then you've got right here your first one. Then go get some tutoring on any topic. It doesn't have to be English, and you can get your points for the second one. You only have 3 weeks left in the semester, so you need to get really on this, but there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to get all of these points still. It's not too late, but you need to get serious about making those appointments, because most tutoring labs require some kind of an appointment beforehand. And so make sure to get on that. All you got to do, if you need to, let's see here, you just Google, let's see here, you can literally just Google Vincennes, here we go, Vincennes University Online Tutoring. Look, I've done this already. And then, okay, labs and tutoring, great. And then right here, there's all the different places you can go on campus with the phone numbers and everything. You know what? I'm going to be a sweetheart. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to include this. Let's see here. I'll give you this web link right here, tutoring, and that will be available for you in this folder. All you have to do is go to that link. It's going to be here. I'll bring it up to the top so you can see it, so nobody misses it. And you click on that link, and you're going to go to this page, and it shows you all the places you can go on campus to get tutoring, to get any kind of help. There's phone numbers available. Some URLs are available as well. So make sure to do that. And really, I mean, if you're looking for help with my class, hey, that's great. I'd love if you handed in a really great essay. You can, let's see, the best place to go would be the writing lab. So the writing lab right here, you call this number 812-888-5141, and they specialize in composition. So maybe sometime this week you can get them to look over your essay for you. I would love that. The better the essay, the easier it is for me to grade it. And obviously you benefit because you get a better grade, and I benefit because it's an easier essay to grade, and we're all happy. So I would really recommend, hey, at least do that for essay 4. And then maybe if you need help in some other class, there's other places you can go here on campus um, to get some tutoring. So you got the math lab here. Well, it looks like the math lab's closed. Let's see. Well, let's see. What else do we have? We have the Shake Learning Resource Center, so for library help. Um, Basically, there's science and engineering. There's other places where you can get some tutoring. Just call around, but at least get English help, because you need that for this class. Nothing is due in English 079 this week, okay? But you need to get these done by the end of the semester, or else you're not going to get any points. Okay, you've had the whole semester. Remember the first week, whenever we first met, I went over this and I told you about it. And so this is something. It was week 1 or week 2 that I went over this, but basically it's something that you've had plenty of time to do. It's possible that you've put it off a little, but now is the time to really get serious so you don't miss out on those points. Remember, English 079 is really, as long as you hand in the homework and it's complete in this class, you get 100%. So most students, sadly enough, most students either get a 100% A in this class or they get an F, because people either hand their homework in or they don't. So remember, just hand in your homework and I would be happy to give you those 100% points. As long as it's complete, you'll get those points. All right. So having said that, if you need any help from me this week on your essay, I would be happy to talk about your essay with you. I'm not going to look it over or anything like that. I only grade it once. But if you have questions as far as citations, specific questions, thesis statement questions, introduction questions, citation questions, anything like that, I'm happy to talk about those things with you. If you just need a little direction, how am I going to do this refutation thing? I've heard you say that I need a paragraph to overcome an objection. How can I do that with my topic? Email me so we can make an appointment this week. This week's a very important week for you, so make sure to use it wisely. Don't wait till the last minute. Don't wait until it's 5 hours until it's due. Maybe I should start this project. No, you should have started it already, and you got to work really hard this week. Make sure to look at that example essay that I gave you in Comp 1. The example essay is in your textbook. In the Comp 1 video, I gave you the page number. It's also on your syllabus in Comp 1. Look that over, model your essay after it, and prosper. Guys, I hope you have a great week. That's it for this video. If you need me, let me know. And I hope you have a great week. I'll see you next week.